Now that we can access the Degreeworks database, let's tackle some more in-depth features of Degreeworks. There are two steps to always remember when looking at a student's audit. First, click the on-demand refresh button, and then OK. This will refresh all of the most current banner data into the student's Degreeworks audit. The second step to this process is to click Process New, and this will refresh any changes that are made in Degreeworks. Now we know that we are looking at the absolute 100% up-to-date information for this student as of 2/18. The very top section, called Student View, displays all of the student's academic information, including their 9000 number, their classification, advisor, overall institutional GPA, their level, degree, the college, their program of study or area of concentration, and academic standing. We will add a few more features to this area in the future. As we scroll down, let's explore the layout of the audit. For advisors, there are a few different views that you can look at. The student view, which is currently what we're looking at. The graduation checklist, which will show a very boiled down version of the student's remaining requirements. The registration checklist, which will show in detail which courses are available that will fulfill these requirements. We will focus on the student view for today's purpose. At the top of each area, you will see a block header. This is a general block header for the degree in Associate of Arts. For each block header, you will see the student's academic year when they declared their major is here, their GPA for their degree, which is different from their overall GPA listed above in the student view, the minimum amount of credits required for this degree, and credits applied. A word on the credits applied. This includes all courses applied to this audit, whether they are used in the course of study or not. So be aware of that. As you come down here, you'll see general blocks for each set of requirements. The Foundations for Success, the core curriculum, the area of concentration or area F, physical education requirements, computer competency requirement, core learning goals, and CPC requirements. As we scroll further down, we'll take a look at the core curriculum for an AA degree. As you notice, between these two sections, the GPA is slightly different. So for the core curriculum, this is the GPA that corresponds for areas A through E. As you'll see here, the minimum amount of credits is 42, credits applied is 19. You'll notice that this looks familiar because it corresponds mostly to our catalog, as well as the Banner Student Information page in some cases. You have Area A, which will read as either Essential Skills or Communication Outcomes for English 1 and 2, or Quantitative Outcomes for Mathematics, depending on when the student's major was declared. Area B is Institutional Options. Area C, Humanities, Fine Arts, and Ethics. Area D, Science, Mathematics, and Technology, or Science and Mathematics Concentrations. Area E, Social Sciences. And finally, Area F, or the area of concentration. As you scroll further down, you'll see the physical education requirements for an AA degree, the computer competency requirement, core learning goals, and CPC requirements. We are currently working on including test scores into this audit. As we scroll back up through the audit, you'll notice that there is a lot of advice here. Any of these columns with advice in them mean that these courses can be used to fulfill these requirements. If you have a question about a course or just want to see the general information related to a course, click on the green hyperlink. And it will display the course title and number, credit hours, the name of the course, a course description, all prerequisites, and the courses available for the next semester. So that's a very handy tool. That is a quick overview of how the audit functions. As you can see, this is a lot of information and may take a little bit of time to get used to. If you have any questions, please refer to the Degreeworks Central LibGuide available on the library webpage, or contact me via my contact information.